Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I love to craft. Let's go ahead and address the elephant in the room. I am sick. I have been sick for 2 weeks straight. I have not really crafted anything. And what I have crafted, I've kind of like stopped midway and then finished it a few days later. So, you know, that kind of crafting is not enjoyable. Like, I want to get through the craft and enjoy it and not feel like poop after. And so had a really bad sinus cold. I think that's what it is. I'm not sure. My little one has also been sick, so we have been just relaxing for the past 2 weeks. This video, I don't really have anything planned for it. I have some things I want to show you guys and show you a few things that I've been working on. My mom does this thing where she puts her glasses in the freezer and then she pours orange juice in it, and it is chef's kiss. So I freeze my coffee cups and I like to drink orange juice out of them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a sip and let's get started on what I want to show you guys. I had an appointment earlier and that is why I am kind of like, you know, halfway put together. As soon as I got home, I put on a long sleeve comfy shirt, and it's like 90 degrees outside, so it's definitely not needed, but I just wanted to be comfy. And I put on some sweatpants. I love these. I got these from Walmart. I think that they were about $9, but they're the best things ever. Okay, so I did do a little bit of shopping the other day because I thought that I felt better, and then the next day I ended up not feeling better. Which is kind of like the sickness that's going around. I feel better one day and I think it's completely gone. I sound great. And then the next day I wake up and I'm like drained, feeling I cannot do anything. Anyways, this is not about me being sick. This is about crafting and where I've been. So the day that I felt good, I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up a few things for Teacher Appreciation Week. These are the viral cases that have been going around here on YouTube and TikTok. So let me open one. Here's a picture of the tag. It has a zipper on it, so it opens up like this, and it's a hard case. And I thought for these hard cases is to put like vinyl on the front, maybe with like the teacher's name, do some little crinkle fill in here, and then add like a gift card or something, maybe even like some post-it notes, maybe some flare pins, things like that. But I think that these will go great for Teacher Appreciation Week. Picked up 2 of the bigger ones, and then I picked up 2 of the smaller ones, and just for size comparison, they're maybe an inch shorter. So the big one is 8.75 by 6.25, and the smaller one is 7.87 by 4.72, and they are both 1.97 inches tall. So these are great for those kind of things. And I also picked up a couple for myself just because these are great for if you're like traveling and you want to bring some craft supplies. The hard case is going to protect whatever you're you know, bringing on vacation or wherever you're going. So, oh my gosh, I forgot I bought these. I literally just added these to my Amazon cart. So these are sublimation blanks, and these are can koozies. I thought it would be so cool to put like our school logo or the mascot on there and give it to a teacher with like their favorite drink, or like a gift card to like Chick-fil-A or Starbucks, you know, something like that, to get them a little cold drink. Ooh, Sonic too. We love Sonic. So that's just a couple of ideas, but I completely forgot about these, so I will go ahead and remove these from my Amazon cart. Another thing I picked up are these zipper canvas pouches, and it looks like they're kind of fraying a little bit, so I'll definitely need to trim that down. But these were 99 cents, and I thought it'd be really cool to embroider maybe the teacher's initial on there, or even maybe do like some heat transfer vinyl. But I got 2 in pink and then 2 in that aqua kind of blue color. Or not aqua, it's actually turquoise. But I picked up 4 of these pouches. Heat resistant gloves. I hope that these work because I bought some welding gloves and they come all the way up to like my elbow, and I look so funny in them. Let me go get them. I picked up these welding gloves from Harbor Freight, and they're huge. And I thought that maybe the heat resistant gloves would be better if I'm doing sublimation, and I won't have to wear the gloves all the way up to, like, you know, my elbow, but they won't really fit over my long sleeve shirt. But yeah, these might be used for like something else. Not really sure what for just yet, but I think that these are definitely like an overkill and I don't really need them. So we'll definitely keep them around. Happy to replace them with these. I wish they had them in pink at Hobby Lobby, but I only saw a black pair. So if you see a pink pair, can you send me the link? Because I love pink. Pink, blue, just like any, you know, pretty girly colors. The next thing that we have is double-sided foam tape. We always need that around here. Next thing that I picked up are these pearl adhesive gems, and this is great for card making. I know that you can't really see it, but here they are close up. So I got a pack of those, and I also got some in gold. And here they are. They have like really tiny ones, and then they have like some bigger ones towards the bottom. Next up we have Key Fob hardware. I got it in a 6-pack, and I have a lot of fabric that I really want to start making keychains with, and so I think that these will be perfect for that. There's that packaging. Next up, I saw some cording on clearance, and this is perfect for bead making. I like to make a lot of bracelets and necklaces, and so this was $1.49, originally $2.99. So yeah, I got a pack of that, and that is all for the Hobby Lobby haul. Let me go ahead and pick all this stuff up and I'll be right back. Okay, next thing on our list, let me show you what I got from Amazon today. Actually, I purchased my Cricut mats from Amazon, and then I started using the Hobby Lobby brand, the 504 brand, and those were excellent. And then I've used those a lot, like way more than they probably should have ever been used. And then I saw on Amazon that they were having a huge sale on the mats. These are not Cricut brand. I actually don't see a brand on here, but they are, let's see. We have Light. I don't know. Let's open up because I can't really see. It comes in like a huge pack, and it comes with 2 scraper tools. I appreciate those. With 2 light mats, 2 standard mats. Actually, no. It comes with one, 2, 3, 4, 5 standard mats. Wow, that's a lot of mats. Standard mats. And then it comes with a strong grip mat. And this is the craziest one. It comes with a fabric mat. I've never seen that before. So there's the fabric one. But I think it's a great pack. And they were on sale, so I'm hoping that they work good because it had really good reviews. But I'm excited to try those out this week. I have a lot of cardstock projects that I want to try out, and so these are going to go perfect. There's nothing better than using a brand new mat whenever you are working on a project. I have always used nothing but 110-pound cardstock. I love it, and I think it's perfect for card making. However, I wanted to elevate my cards a little bit, and so I ventured out and I purchased the 120-pound, it says 120-pound cover, super double thick cardstock white. There's the label. I will definitely link it down below because this cardstock feels so thick, and I'm so excited to cut it on my Cricut and make a card with it, so we might be doing that as well on Friday. I have a lot of expectations set for me on Friday to release a new video. I also want to film another card making video, but that is all that I've received from Amazon. I have some more stuff coming on Thursday. Won't be in this video because today is Tuesday. I thought today was Wednesday, but it's Tuesday. All my days are running together since we've been sick. This video is also different because I've never filmed like a vlog style video, so I hope that you guys are enjoying it. I feel like I'm kind of yapping at this point, but let me show you guys just a few things that I started working on before I got sick. So let's see, we'll start with this one first. So my friend over at Jenny Lynn Handcrafted, she makes a few of those like little notebooks. Hers are way more intricate than mine are. And so I wanted to make one like hers, but then I got sick and did not feel like, doing the whole entire process, but I wanted to craft so bad. And so I kind of brainstormed, how I could like save my energy and craft at the same time. So I took a 12 by 12 paper pad and I cut those papers into 4s, and then we put holes in each little piece of paper, and then I put ribbon through here. And my goal was to put like inspirational quotes through here. I think that would just be really nice because sometimes you need that extra little inspiration. And so I have not gotten around to do that yet. Hopefully I can do that next week sometime. But this is just something that I kind of put together because I have way too many paper pads. I probably have over 50 different ones, and they're kind of just on the shelf, and I'm kind of hoarding them at this point. And so I think that it'd be so cool if I made inspirational notepads. Alright, up next, I did make this before I got sick, and I wanted to just see if I could make it first before I filmed it. And now I'm really sad that I didn't film it because now I'm sick and I don't have anything to post for you guys. And so this is just a coffee mug with my son's teacher and him on it. I think that this picture is actually from last year. This was his teacher last year, and so I like to just remember the teachers that have made like a huge impact on my kid's life, and she really did. This was during their like ice cream tie-dye sprinkle party, and so he has on a tie-dye shirt. It's so cute. But I did sublimate this mug, and I just put like, tape, scissors, glue, a stack of books. So there's the part that I sublimated the mug, but I put this cute little tag on here, and on here it says, "Thank you. During our time at school, we have so many teachers, but only a few we will remember forever. Thank you for being one of those special teachers who I'll never forget." So I thought that that was just a cute little tag to go on here. I put it in a little cellophane bag and then tied it up with 2 different pieces of ribbon, but I think that that is just so sweet. Oh, and I did fill it up with a bunch of candy. I didn't put a gift card in this one. Probably should have. I might still do it and just like attach it to the side, but I made it a couple weeks ago. So Teacher Appreciation Week is next week, and I'm really hoping that I feel better just because I have so much crafting to do. I have so much stuff planned out that I really want to film, that I really want to create, that I really need to get out to teachers. But I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I think I've yapped way too much. And with that being said, I want to leave you guys with a inspirational quote of the day. I want to kind of start implementing that into my videos, just because everyone needs a little bit of encouragement. Life is hard sometimes, and sometimes we just all need to hear that it will be okay. So the quote that I would like to leave you with today says, "All of our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them." To pursue a dream, do it. Let this be your encouragement to just pursue whatever you have been thinking about. Mine has always been YouTube. I like to share my creations. I like to show people how to create. I also like to watch people create things. I think it's really cool to, learn from someone, maybe even hear like a backstory as to why they're creating it. But don't give up on your dreams, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!